If you want to know how to log into Chrome browser, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the simple steps to sign in so you can sync your bookmarks, passwords, history, and settings across your devices. This is a great way to make Chrome feel more personal and keep everything connected wherever you use it. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Chrome browser on your computer. You can do this by clicking the Chrome icon from your desktop, taskbar, or app list. Once Chrome opens, look for the Sign In option, usually near the top right corner of the browser. Click Sign In to begin the login process. Now Chrome will ask you to enter your Google email address. Type in the email associated with your Google account carefully, making sure there are no spelling mistakes. After entering your email, click Next. On the next screen, Chrome will ask for your password. Enter your Google account password and double check that it's correct. Then click Next again to continue. If your details are correct, Chrome will sign you in and connect your browser to your Google account. At this point, you may see a prompt asking whether you want to turn on Sync. If you do, this allows Chrome to save and sync things like passwords, history, and bookmarks across all your devices. That can be really helpful if you use Chrome on a phone, laptop, or another computer. And that's it. You've now logged into Chrome browser successfully. From here, you can start using Chrome with your signed-in Google account and enjoy a more connected browsing experience. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.